Hi guys, Miss White here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to find your base 10 blocks on the McGraw-Hill e-toolkit. First thing you need to do is log on to Clever and find your red app with the white writing. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring you to your student dashboard. You're going to choose e-toolkit. First thing you need to do when you get here is to choose your mat. So you're going to go to Backgrounds, all the way up here to Base 10 Grids, and choose the one that says 100s, 10s, and 1s. And there's our mat we use at school. Now you need your blocks. You're going to click on eTools down here at the bottom. It's going to bring up this menu. You have two options. You can choose this one or the flat ones. I like these ones because they're yellow and easy to see. Now all you need to do is drag and drop them into your mat. These are a little bit big for our mat, so what we're going to do is delete this one by holding it and dragging it to this trash can and choosing small to make them a little bit smaller. Drag and drop just like before, and it's perfect. Now you can do that with all of them. Something cool about this app, though, is that you don't have to pull all of your 10s apart by hand. Your app will do that for you. Click on this hammer, and it's going to pull apart all that long and make it into 1s. Now, if I want to put it back into a long, all I need to do is select all of them, press this plus tool, and there's my long. Say I ask you to make a number like 117. I need 7 1s, right? So instead of dragging all these 1s, I just need to delete these really quick and choose how many. I'm going to click on this. It's going to ask me how many I want, and remember my number was 7. I'm going to click on 7 and drag this 1 block up here, and there's 7 already there for me. I'm going to drag all these up into my 1 spot. And then that's how you use the base 10 blocks in McGraw-Hill. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to submit a picture on Google Classroom. Thank you.